RunLLM is an AI-powered support engineer that helps your team save time, accelerate adoption, and generate customer insights. What we found, having deployed RunLLM across more than 50 user bases, is that having an AI support engineer leads customers to ask things that they'd never ask a person. That means that we get access to a treasure trove of data that we can use to help you understand your customers better. So let's dive in and see how that works. Let's take the VLLM community as an example, where we're now answering about 3,000 questions a week. The first thing that we do is that we categorize each of those questions into a separate topic. For each topic, we generate a short summary so that you don't have to wade through hundreds of different questions to understand what users were asking about. And we point you to some of the most relevant conversations for each one of those topics in case you want to dive in and understand more about what customers are asking. Simultaneously, we also look for conversations where customers told us about their use cases. For anyone building a product, this is usually one of the most important signals that you can look for. Similar to the above, we generate a short summary as well as pointers to the underlying conversations so that you can dig in and understand more. Another benefit of the volume of conversations that RunLLM answers is that we're constantly looking through every part of your documentation. As we're doing that, we search for any issues or contradictions in the data that you've given us and flag them for you on the Issues tab in the RunLLM UI. You can click into an issue and see where each data source came from, as well as a short summary of why we thought there was a contradiction. You can tell us whether source A or source B is correct, or whether we should actually keep both, and even explain why. If, after one of these interactions, RunLLM thinks that something you told it warrants an update to your documentation, it will proactively go and suggest that update to you, so that you can keep your documentation in as pristine a state as possible. Maintaining your docs can often be a pain, so RunLLM can help you proactively update your docs even when there's an issue. All you have to do is connect RunLLM to your code repository and your documentation, and you can ask it to do the job for you. When a new code pull request pops up, you'll see it on this screen, and you can ask RunLLM to update the documentation based on the code changes that were made. Within a few minutes, it'll generate a new pull request for you that will comb through your documentation and find all the places that need to be updated based on what was changed in the code. If you wanted to edit the changes that it made, all you need to do is leave a review on the PR, and RunLLM will handle the rest. We're really excited about all the ways RunLLM can help you better understand your customers based on the conversations that we're having. But we're also just getting started. In the next couple months, we're going to be adding support for analyzing user sentiment, identifying and surfacing trends and anomalies in what your customers are asking about, and detecting and filing bugs. If you're interested in learning more, please go to runllm.com and reach out. Thanks for watching.